Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to build channel history on YouTube. Let's get started. First, make sure you're consistent with uploading content. The more videos you upload, the more your channel will grow over time. So, to view how your channel is growing, all you have to do is to log in to your YouTube account and then click on this profile icon right here and then click on your channel. And then open your YouTube Studio or YouTube Creator account. And then in here, you will be able to see your channel analytics. And here you can just view how your channel is doing over the months that you are. And then here you're just going to view how your channel is doing. Next is to organize your videos into playlists by topic or theme. This helps with discoverability and gives your channel a structured history. Another thing that you can do is to engage with your viewers by replying to comments and asking for feedback. Building a community around your content creates a richer channel history. For example, let's try to click on one of the videos that I uploaded and then just let's just scroll down to see let's just scroll down to see how this video is doing. Let's scroll down to the comments section and then right here you can see all the comments that I haven't replied to. And what you're going to do, what I recommend you to do is to reply to these comments so that it could build a community for you. Also, don't forget to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better visibility in YouTube search, especially when you're uploading a new video and when your account is still a baby account. When you're just starting, it is very much important that you optimize your descriptions and titles because you already have a lot of competitors in YouTube. And that's how you build a channel history on YouTube.